Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to take a quick look at the additional valves that I couldn't actually test because I didn't have any settings for when I ran through the last set of valve testing. And as always, if you like what you're seeing, then please do like the video, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe, and don't forget to click the little chime button and you'll get notified when I do something new. Okay, so back again. This is a 6M5 that I ordered off the internet. I purchased 3, but let's just run it through the test. We're using my new settings and see what that comes up with. So D, reset, 6, 8, 9. Load C, excuse the noise, I've got the printer rattling away over there. So we turn it on. Heaters, very good. Just a couple of flashes with the shorts, and selector on 2. Sorry about that, I just heard the bloody printer go a bit. Okay, right, so leakage, selector on 2. Okay, grid emission reject, nope. Okay, and quality is well and truly in the good, which is what I would hope for from a new valve. Okay, so that's quite warm now. Okay, so that's a known good one. So let's now try one of the 6M5s from the Philips heaters. Okay, leakage. Not quite as good as the new one, but not too bad. Quality. Okay, so that's in the average category there, so not so hot. Let's try the other one. Well, I didn't try the shorts test on the other valve, but I had actually tried that previously, but just for completeness. No shorts, position 2. Okay, so that one's showing quite a bit of grid emission, yeah, leakage. It popped up onto the borderline of reject and then drifted back down a little bit. Quality is showing good. Okay, well, both of those I would expect to be usable. Probably not ideal, but usable at least. So now we'll do the 6BH5. D, D, D. That's okay. And we're in the good zone, so that one's okay as well. Six A in 7. D, socket 6. Load E, no lockouts, 2. Oh. The 6A in 7. Well, 6 is showing not connect, or one of these not connected things, but 3 I would not expect to be shorted to anything. There's 2 elements in this. I think it's a hexo and a triode. Triode on 9. But that short is somewhat concerning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe. Okay. Well, 6 is some sort of internally connected pin. So there you go. I'll make a note on the sheet that 6 should be a lockout, and that one appears to be okay as well. Well, there you go everyone, not such a bad result for the valves in the 2 radios after all. I've got some spare 6M5s now which seem to be hard to come by, so I'm going to just put them away, treat them like gold. But anyway, in the next video that we do on the valve radios, we'll get stuck into them. And as always, if you like what you're seeing, then please do like the video. If you'd like to see more, then please subscribe, and don't forget to click the chime button and you'll get notified when I put new ones up. Okay, cheers for now.